Right, let's whip that off, see what crap went inside. I know when I did this other side, tapped it, the piston might have been a bit high up. It was the depth of an Allen key. Anyway, with a bit of luck I won't have touched it. If I have, I haven't touched it too bad. But let's see what crap went in. We're going to find through the top of the roll, I think. Let's put my thumbs in and see if I can get the push-rod tubes to come off and stay on the bike. No, definitely a lot of junk in there. Right, would I do it with the head on? Definitely not. Definitely not. I'll just get a light. So I definitely wouldn't. Lots of shite. So I'm just going to get me over. Yeah, look at the state of that compared to that. That's a big difference in burn, that. Spray some WD on it, let it go soft, and remove some of that. Right, let's have a look at the head. Yeah, so spark plug thread repairs, would you do it on with the head on? No, definitely not. I know I wasn't particularly careful, but there was a big lot in there. I can't remember whether I cleaned my head up. I think I just clagged it back on. Soft. Could be oil. Anyway, I'm going to grind my valves in and I will clean it up. Them sets, they've gone quite very nice. So it's not as black as it looks on the camera. Let's go a couple of plugs in. That's dark. Right, so we can see there in nice. Yeah, you see my plugs are a bit white. These are them N5s. I think that's where I might have been getting that pink in from. Yes. I nearly got my electrodes straight. That must have been a good guess. So, right, I'm going to give these a squirt, let it soften, and then scrape it off. Right, just using some penetrating lube. Don't throw it away. Right, let that soak in. It should soften it off. And then I'm going to whip the valves out, give them a clean and a grind. Right, I've soaked these overnight, just with that squirt, so I'm just going to carefully scrape the carbon off. There's not a great deal on, so yeah, it's a bit of oil. Definitely oil carbon. Right. Do me, just fire the compressor up and blow the crap out. Right. Oh god. Right, that'll do me for the pistons. We'll have a go of the head. Right. Might be a bit shiny this. Oh well. Right, I'm just going to take the thick off again. Get the plugs out. Blast out. Right, I'm just going to go careful. Yeah, it's softened up nice, that. The exhaust valves are always the hardest to get clean, because it usually goes rock hard. It certainly has. Inlets are not too bad. Yeah, let's see, I can clean them up alright. Right, I'm going to work on this for a bit. I don't suppose you want to watch it. And then I'm going to whip the valves out and give them a lap in. So yeah, that's softened them up nice. Not the messy one. Yep, yeah, see, I'm going to get this clean. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to concentrate on this. Right, a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Needs cleaning. Well, obviously it needs cleaning, that's why I'm doing it. Huh. Yeah, when I put the head on after I've done my rebuild, I don't even think I decoked it. So this is all, well as from this running, it's certainly from when I was riding before. Another quick blowout. Get rid of that racket. Yeah, that's good enough, that. Good enough for the head. Do the valves now. And I can, these little awkward bits I'll get when I've got the valves out. I don't know how much of this you can see. Yeah, I'll wire brush these when I get them out. They're not too bad actually. Yeah, see, when the exhausts, it's usually rock hard. Yeah, that one's definitely the burntest, well, the carbonest. Again, I'll wait till I get them out, I might even run a file across them. It's hardly touched that one. Right, let's whip the valves out. Right, I'm going to whip the valves out. So I've just cut a wedge of wood just to pop in the cylinder like that. Before you take the valves out, oh, get me knocker. Well, before you try and use your valve spring compressor, bit of a socket. Get that in a bit of position for me, can we see? And it just releases the collet. Right. Should be good. Watch me drop collets down here. Right, that one. It's a bit cumbersome this thing, but it does work. Get it. I can't see. There's one out. There's two out. Legs on the tripod are funny. I don't think you'll be able to see much of this. I certainly can't. Nope. Oh. There's sandpaper somewhere. I think the collet's made a nick on the end. That's it. Yeah, the collet must have put a little pimple on that end. Right. Right, let's clean the valves up. Right, clean the tops first if I can. Do them as best I can anyway. Rock hard. big one. Might be better, it's a bit less bendy. Tough stuff. And it's still not wire brushable. Yeah, what you find, if you wire brush them, it just glazes the carbon. Well, you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to shift the camera because it's in the way. And the back, I'll basically do the same thing. Probably stay right off the edge because I don't want to damage the face at all. Although damaging the valves, they're so hard. Not too bad this side. Just up there. And then the same thing, give them a wire brush when they're done. And they'll come up. So I'll continue on that one. These are usually softer, as I say. And if there's any on the shaft, it's not too bad. The exhaust again, get it on there. This is almost clean, this one. Right, so I'll do these back in a minute.